Okay, here we are.
Welcome
wearing
back.
red lipstick.
And Blue Jay shirts today.
Right.
And we're going to make Auntie Joe's mother's lemon loaf.
So we call it Shirley's lemon loaf. Yeah. Half a cup of butter.
It's
softened.
lemon loaf. Stop calling me Shirley.
Dad, you have to stop doing these.
A cup of sugar. Yeah. It's just our cameraman can't resist. He never could though.
No.
Okay.
Mikey and I were playing catch with an
Oh,
egg.
I'm glad you
before.
were saying that because I was going to say, and why do we have one egg already broken?
One egg is here, one egg is here, because Mikey and I, my brother, were playing catch, and we broke the egg.
Oh, isn't that funny how that happens?
One egg.
Appropriately playing catch though, since we're wearing Blue Jay t-shirts.
2 eggs.
Right. Okay, go Ellie.
Oh, now we're gonna add
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of baking powder
Right.
into 1.5 cups of flour.
Right.
And also let's make sure it's the salt, a pinch of salt.
Put it in your hand first, because you never know how much
I
comes
know
out.
how that works.
Okay, fine.
And then 1/2 cup of milk. We are going to
Alternate.
alternate.
Go.
Pudding.
Oh, put. Okay, put. Sometimes it says ended with. Okay, there we are.
And rind from 1 lemon.
And look, I use a zester rather than a grater. This is a wonderful
Oh.
tool to have.
And it's
Hold on.
what?
Keep going. I was going to sneeze.
Mix
good
her up
is
nice,
that?
nice. And then put into a buttered loaf pan.
Loaf pan. Buttered loaf pan.
Buttered. Okay.
Into the oven.
350 for 1 hour. Check on it.
That's why we gotta chat, chat. I only wanna chat, chat with you.
Okay. Mom forgot that she has a Zoom call, so while she's doing that, you can hear her in the background. The loaf is just about to come out, but you have to mix 1/4 cup of sugar with the juice from 1 lemon. And we'll be back in 2 minutes to take out the loaf.
This is Isolation Edition. I'm on a
Zoom.
Zoom call with my cheerleader friends, Linda and Cindy.
Oh wait, they can see the camera then. Okay.
Oh yeah, look what we're doing.
Poke it with the toothpick all around, and then
And this is the best part. This is the best part.
you put the lemon sugar glaze all over. And voila!
Lemon loaf.
With Mom's friends.
Cindy and Linda.
With you.